home Future Convertible flying car makes pilot flight between airports in Slovakia. In abandons a supercar into a two-seat plane in less than 3 minutes. Architects in Slovakia at last made a sci-fi dream work out. Their half-breed airplane vehicle, suitably named Aircars, as of late finished a challenging 35-minute trip between the air terminals at Nitra and Bratislava. The vehicle changed from a smooth four-wheeler into an airplane in just 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Genuine transformers. Aircar is the brainchild of Professor Stefan Klein, CEO of Klein Vision. The organization has fostered the model in the course of the most recent 2 years with under €2 million in venture. The Aircar Prototype 1 is controlled by a 160 torque BMW motor and comes furnished with a fixed propeller. It has 2 tight wings that crease down at the edges of the vehicle when changed over into flight mode. It can convey up to 2 individuals. During its lady flight, the Aircar arrived at a cruising rate of 170 km per hour, 105 miles each hour. As per Klein, the Aircar could fly for almost 1,000 km, 600 miles, at an elevation of 2,500 meters, 8,200 feet. Flying vehicles are accepted to be a basic piece of the transportation of things to come, promising to get some free from the awful traffic that plagues most bustling urban communities across the world. Notwithstanding, numerous impediments must be defeated before we can drive to work like the Jetsons. The Aircars needs a runway to both departure and land. A robot-like vertical departure and landing would be needed to empower mass reception. Drivers would likewise require a pilot's permit for sure, which might be far off for some, except if future models are totally self-driving. Notwithstanding, a self-sufficient flying vehicle would need to go through massive administrative obstacles before it is permitted to convey individuals. As far as it matters for them, Klein Vision isn't keen on taking vehicles off the street and into the sky. The organization is keen on snatching a portion of the airplane market as opposed to the auto market. There are around 40,000 sets of airplane in the United States alone, Anton Zajac, a guide and financial backer in Klein Vision, revealed to the BBC. Also, on the off chance that we convert 5% of those, to change the airplane for the flying vehicle, we have a gigantic market. Klein Vision is presently chipping away at a second model that will flaunt a 300 torque motor, permitting it a top cruising velocity of 300 km, 186 miles, each hour. The organization is likewise intrigued by 3- and 4-seater variants, just as a land and or water-capable model that will permit travelers to traverse land, water, and air. Different organizations are keen on the air taxi business. Finally, year's Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, Uber and Hyundai uncovered designs for a joint endeavor comprising of an electric flying taxi. Volkswagen said early this year that it is at present hoping to fly vehicles in China. Somewhere else, Porsche, Daimler, and Toyota have all put resources into new businesses known for creating electrical vertical departure and landing, EVTOL, vehicles. Last year, Toyota-sponsored SkyDrive finished the principal flying vehicle test in Japan's set of experiences.